We are relaxing by the beach side. Hey you guys, welcome to a new video from Lakshmi Kamat's vlogs. And if you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and join my YouTube journey. It's our day 3 in Goa. We had gone to Morjim Beach and Mandrem Sandbar in the daytime. If you haven't watched that video, I leave a link in the I button. Go check it out. Now we are going out to Tito's Lane. I am wearing the same clothes, but Guruji has a dress change. We'll show you guys. Guruji had a changeover of clothes. This is his Goa shirt, which he bought in Goa itself. Again, he's wearing in Goa itself. Wow, wow.
गोवा की चीज गोवा में यूज होता है
और कहीं पहनने के लायक ही नहीं है ये. मेरे पास भी ऐसे 2-3 कपड़े हैं. अतरंगी weird clothes you can wear only in Goa. Other places will get judged for it. Yeah, it's 8:30 now. We are going to Tito's Lane. Straight to Chochka. We are going to Tito's Lane. It's 8:30 in the night. See the beautiful decor of each restaurant. Everything is so well decorated. See this. See all these so beautifully decorated. So many shops here. This is the Tito's Lane that we are walking in now. Tito's Lane has lot of pubs. You can check the price and go. It's exorbitant, we felt. The entry prices are high, but the lane is a total vibe with lot of loud music. So the music is actually this loud, and each pub is playing a different music. So it's nice to hear and walk down the lane. The end of this lane, you can take scooty in this and go towards the end. The end is actually Baga Beach. So Baga Beach, you have to park your scooty. So official parking, they are charging 50 rupees, and sometimes during weekends they are charging 100 rupees. This is the original Tito's pub, after which the entire lane is called Tito's Lane. So in this Tito's Lane, right, you get everything from food to clothes to alcohol to pubs to everything. Everything is on this lane. But pubs are all, clubs are all bad ratings on Google reviews. So we are skipping it. Entry is 2000 and all per one couple. So it's skippable. They have separate car and bike parking. Car, I guess they are charging 100 rupees, and bike they are charging 50 rupees. So this is all where you can park your vehicle. One of these lanes you can take, it goes to the beach. This is Baga Beach, where it is all lit up at night. Lot of shacks, lot of loud music in the shacks, and lot of fun. And they are streaming IPL matches on a big screen. It was very nice experience. Finally we found it. Baga.
are shacks where DJ is playing music. Anybody can go and dance there. You don't have to pay anything. The music is actually deafening. We were standing near the speakers. Our ears were almost gone. We cannot hear anything. So be careful about that. These are all shacks and each one is playing a different music and is a place to go and dance. So you can do that and order food as well and eat.
See the nightlife, it's Friday today. It's decorated till that end. And then all these are shops, shacks for pubs. You can just enter and dance. You don't have to pay any entry fees. You need not eat anything there. These shacks, no, just enter and dance. And you can do shack hopping. But be careful of the crowd. Some people are drunk. So yeah, where there is, for girls, if you're looking for girls' safety, where there are girls or couples dancing, you can go around and dance there. Overall, great experience.
These are all tables and chairs put up on the sand to have dinner. You can order food, enjoy, get. There are so many setups like these where you can click beautiful pictures. So all throughout the shacks, the show, there are so many beautiful setups like these. After roaming around, we settled down at Andrew's shack and we thought of ordering food and also relaxing by here. We are relaxing by the beach side here. We ordered a table and we are sitting here. We ordered food. So this is shack.
The match also is going on.
Playing IPL also here. IPL is going on. Hotels and all are costing 300, 350 rupees and food and all is 300, 400 plus. And DJ was going on everywhere in almost all the shacks. They were playing songs and anybody can go and dance. And suddenly at 10 o'clock they stopped. We came around 9 o'clock, we danced. 9:30 we came around half an hour we danced. After that it was done. So yeah, I think they have ordered to close, stop loud music at 10. Now it's all calm, no loud music. This is Andrews Beach Shack, which we have come to.
Okay, can we take back? I just need a reference point for the height of the bathroom, please. So can we just take 7 2
എന്ത് കളിച്ചേ
This pasta is 400 rupees.
Dumbo
बताना है ना. पास्ता बहुत सारा है यार. I think this is enough, right? I don't think we have to eat any more after this. Good enough quantity, very much quantity. And we had dinner at that Andrews Beach Shack, and the bill was 1050, I think. Yeah, only 3 things: one mocktail and 2 food. I mean, one was the spring roll, another was pasta. Pasta's quantity was good, the food was also good. Andrews Beach Shack, I would recommend it. And yes, after that we left from there. It's almost 12:30 in the night. We came back to our room. Now we'll sleep. That's it. Let's end this vlog here. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope you enjoyed seeing Baga Beach at night. It's a very happening vibe. It's lot of crowd and lot of music and vibe. There's a different vibe. It's very nice to go there at night. I hope you enjoyed all of this. If yes, please smash that like button. If you're new, please do subscribe and write sweet comments. And I'll see you in the next episode of going to Chapora Fort. Until then, take care. Bye. Jai Shri Krishna.